Hello everyone, it's me, Bruno Tarango, Garay, on another school topic. On this time we're going to see how to solve a 2x2 system of equations. First of all, we need to know what a 2x2 system of equation is. The 2x2 system of equation, in fewer words, is the one in which we have two linear equations with two similar variables. There are too many ways to solve this type of equation, like the elimination method, the grammar's rule, the graphic method, etc. But this time we're going to focus on the elimination method, which is in my opinion the easiest one to remember. As its name says, this method consists of eliminating one variable to be able to solve it. For this I'm going to use the example. As you can see, we have two variables. To start this method, what we need to do is to select which of the variables we are going to eliminate. In this case, the best option is minus 2b and 4b, because they have different signs. After that, what we need to do is cause that both terms have equal coefficients. For this, we are going to multiply one or two whole equation by any number. In this case, we are going to multiply minus 2b by 2 and its equation, because in that way both terms are going to have the same coefficient. Now we can eliminate the terms, and after this, we need to sum 2 plus 6. With this done, we can pass to the clear stage. In this step, we are going to, as its name says, clear the equation to solve it. For this, and as you can see, we have only two terms, one algebraic term and a constant. What we need to do is to move the coefficients of the algebraic term to the constant. To do this, we are going to change the operation sign to the opposite sign. For example, if it's an addition, we change it to subtraction, and vice versa. If it's a multiplication, we change it to a division, and vice versa. Moving back to the topic and follow our example, we have that 8a is equal to 16. So doing the clear step, we move the a to the constant and we change the operation. In this case, it was multiplying a, so we change it to dividing 16. Now we have the a clear, and we only need to do the operation. We divide and get us a result 2. Finally, what we need to do is to choose one algebraic expression. In my case, I will choose the first one and replace the value that we got. A is equal to 2. After that, we do the operation. This is in our example a multiplication, and as you can see, we only have one variable, so we do again the clear step. We move the 4 to the constant part and we change the operation sign. It is adding, so we change it to subtracting. We solve the subtraction, and now we move the coefficient of the algebraic term to the constant and change this operation sign. It is multiplying, so we change it to dividing. Do the operation, and we finally get the result of the variable. That is also 2. Now, how can a 2x2 system of equations help me in my ordinary life? This system of equation is going to help you when you don't know two values, and these values are related. To put a very ordinary example, let's think that you're going to buy guava tamales. But before buying it, you want to connect the prices. So for this, you ask two friends who went to a tamales place. One of them said,
I don't remember the price, but I think I bought 3 guava tamales and 1 atoll. I spent 36 pesos.
And the other said,
I think I bought 5 guava tamales and 2 atolles. I spent 64 pesos.
As you can see, we don't know the guava tamales price, but we can use the 2x2 system of equation. Now that we have this equation, we need to make steps to solve it. So let's choose one equation. This time, we don't have two variables with different signs, so we need to analyze the equation well. If we take a closer look, We can see that if we multiply 2 by the first equation, we will get 2y. This is the exact number as the second equation. We to eliminate this algebraic term, we need to multiply by minus 2 the whole equation. After this, we make the operation in which we eliminate the y variable, subtract the x variable, and subtract the constant. The result is going to be minus 1x is equal to minus 8. Now we pass to the clear step. We mod minus 2 to divide minus 8. Remember that we only change operations signs, not if they are negative or positive. We make the operation and it will give us 8. So now we choose one equation. I'm going to choose the first one. And now we replace the x with 8 and resolve the multiplication. After this, we do the second clear stage. We move 24 to the constant. We subtract and we get the result of our last variable. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.